double time. Hell, I'd settle for single time.
Maybe we should just fight. I'm afraid she's gonna start picking us off one by one. Oh man, forget this. I need to get a bigger weapon. Caboose, help us!
Ow! That computer won't let me! She's mean! This place is filled with mean ladies!
Push some buttons, I don't know!
Buttons? Oh man, I love buttons! Beep, bop, bop.
Wow! That actually worked perfectly! Thanks!
Great!
How the heck did I do that?
Ow! Hey, Simmons, what the hell is going on in there?
Gotta help us! Do you know how to use that thing?
My sword? Fuck yeah, I know how to use it. What's to understand about swish, swish, stab? It's a fucking sword, dude. It's not a fighter jet.
Just come help me.
Hey, sweet cheeks! Remember me? Step away from the idiot!
Oh god, please don't let her see me.
Hey! I saved Tucker! Oh, wait.
I saved Tucker.
Caboose, what are you doing? You're messing up my plan with Simmons. I was supposed to distract her for him.
You ratted me out, you son of a bitch! Oh shit!
That was awesome! Can we use turrets on her or some explodey fiery things?
That would be outside the bounds of my standard safety protocols. I cannot do that.
What do we do, Sarge?
I don't know. I've never hit a girl in my life.
Yeah, I noticed. Try harder.
Ah.
What the fuck? Oh no, Griff!
Yay!
Private Griff, you should be ashamed of yourself. You've run out of ammo again. That's your responsibility.
Huh. I guess it's the first time my laziness has ever saved my life. Protect me, go! You watch it.
You idiots, let me show you how it's done. No.
Nice demonstration, Sarge.
Shut up.
Hey guys, look up there.
Ugh.
What? Hey, Caboose! Remember when I said not to help me? Forget that! I need you to help me! Right now! What holds up that crate?
Mechanical controls are on the left side of the console.
I can't believe that worked! Oh fuck, that didn't work!
I knew that would not work. Agent Tex is a bit of a badass.
We'll be crushed! Don't worry guys, I got this! Switch!
More crushed.
Oh, fuck berries. Tex, can you... Oh! Alright, you know what? That's it. Come here.
Oh, thank God. Thought I was a goner. Sarge, where are you?
What happened? I feel defeated. Inexplicably rejuvenated.
Switch up! Switch up! Oh, Steph! God damn it! Stop! Oh, come on! Oh, bullshit! Oh,
Whoa, did you see that?
How would I have missed that?
oh! What's the matter, Tex? You having trouble keeping it up? Don't worry, it happens to everybody. Well, not me, but...
That rocket launcher's one of the older models, right?
Yeah.
That means it's got heat seeking.
I didn't know
Now
it
lock
was
on
there.
and let her rip.
Oh, right. I forgot about
Ow!
that.
Holy crap! You bitch! Damn it, I hate this black stuff. What the hell is it?
There she is.
Huh?
Get her.
Wait, guys.
Ow! I'm Tex, I'm a blue! But not the blue you're fighting! Leave me the fuck alone!
Getting hard.
Why are you hitting me? I'm not Tex. Sarge, hold on, hold on. I think that's Tucker, not Tex.
See, I told you! Oh! Hey, you fucker! Why'd you do that?
Force of habit.
Man, you guys are... Ah!
Hey, watch it. Whoa,
Whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa!
Don't fall in the... Hold still, hold still. I can see her. She's right over there by the other... Uh-oh.
Grizz, I see her! Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, crap. Oh, wow, right to the mountain, huh? Oh, not even gonna buy dinner. Oh, I like your style.
Simmons, what are you waiting for?
They look the same. Which one do I shoot?
Ow! Shoot the one who's winning, dumbass!
Ow! Grip! Watch it!
Well, knocked the flag right off you.
That's racist.
You're all clear, Simmons. Now shoot her.
Fire in the hole!
Are you fucking kidding me? Run!
Oh god, not like this.
Oh my god.
I thought I was... Why won't you just kill